Baby, I need to go to the shop. Can you follow me there?
Damani, you're a big boy. What me need to follow you at the shop for? I'm gonna give the chicken them some food. I'm going to my purse for $100. I'm gonna buy the cigarette.
Alright, the love of my life. I'll do that.
I know it's you take my money off of my dress sign girl. What my money there?
After me nah know your money. Stop the life of me now. I am man take your money. I missing in your room last night.
Hello, can I have a Pepsi and some of that chips? I can't remember the name. Banana chips. And can I have 2 Cravenius cigarettes?
What a boy, handsome. How are your name? I'ma just see you around here. And you have accent. Which part of foreign you come from? You're cute, bud. You favor the boy there. What him name? Drake. Drake, I'm your favor.
Hey that girl. I think it's your boyfriend that. No chat to him, you know say she mad.
I really tense you there with the old tough granny there.
Please, don't talk about Tinsia like that. She's a great woman.
You see the boy not paying the man. I just had enough of yourself a chat to him. I say, Tensia, come here and see her chat to her man. You know what happened to you? You think me I go save you? Me the business with me and your family.
Hey, cement bag shape girl. What the hell you do? I chat up to my man. Move from my man from a box in their face. Everybody man in the community you want take. I'm surprised me even not chat to you. Look at how true you get new person think you all that. You need to go fix your face. So you just stand there and make sure take my weave. Give me back my weave. $1,000 I'ma pay for that weave there, you know. Till next time I freak with me now, girl.
Take enough a chat to him, you know. I say, I want to buy a new ear now. You don't have the money.
One time I seen you shop by yourself, you have them look ugly girl there flirt with you.
What are you talking about? I wasn't even flirting with her.
Yeah, whatever you want to say. Make me see you chat to any girl in the community here. I see what me I deal with you. Stop embarrassing me in public, in a boy.
Yo, Tensia, you need to relax. I wasn't flirting with nobody. You're always acting a way like I'm doing shit. Like, bro, relax. I'm not doing anything.
How much time I have to take for stop calling me, bro? Me and you damn, bro. God, you get on my nerves.
Yo, I can't deal with this. Why you always so pissed off? Like someone's bothering you and shit.
Hey, boy, don't chat to me, so you know. Come swear at me now, I want you. Hey, look here. Go in that bedroom. So come forward in there. And I'm sitting here, you like. Why? What a boy sexy. Boy.
Wanna come get the food. Come.
Tensia, my lovely niece. Which part your mother there?
Oh, Ash and I also cook up some breakfast. Hey, I'm gonna call her for you, uncle.
I will soon talk to her. You've grown into a very lovely young lady. I'm gonna be spending a lookout while here with her.
I mean, at the house, you wanna call her?
That's alright. You know what I'm saying about fruit when it ripe.
come here, man. Come here for when me not see you. Look for you.
But they are talk to Tensia, man. She get big. She feel way when you're younger. So what you cook up? You have some for me? Tensia, come in my room and me talk. And I make no bag of nice. No one wake up your mother.
Beautiful granddaughter, you finally come.
Yeah, but kind of have trouble, finding the place. So how you been? I'ma talk to Sean earlier and I go look for him to meet him daughter. So I'ma just come here to come check you and see how you been doing.
Damani, my granddaughter there. Damani, this is my granddaughter Diana.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. You got the eye color too? Wow.
Alright. Don't know the back of chatting. Move from my granddaughter from a dump in her mouth. Alright, come sit down. We have one of things to talk about. Look how much hair you have. No, sir. You're full of hair. And it's pretty and curly too. So how you been? How you doing?
Am I right now? I just come for ask you some stuff. I know more about my father, this side of my family.
Well, for one, the family are full of drunk. Because I'll be honest with you. And your father, him did pass away a couple years back.
Sean did tell me, but what about the rest of the family? My life, hear some good things.
Well, we have 3 sons, including your father, and you're gonna meet them very soon. Don't worry about that. And you're gonna love them. Well, I don't know about doing in my headache. He might run up my pressure. But you're gonna love Daniel. Very humble man.
That's good fear. My mother was an only child, so my nana, auntie and uncle. But my God, for no say me have 3 uncles now.
Oh, I'm a nephew. My grandnephew, Junior. Well, him live in a country. Boy, I can't name me see. I hope you get to meet him too.
Oh, so like me have full of family on the side here. That's good. I always want, meet extra family members. But I'm happy to hear that though. I'm really excited about this, I'm not lie.
I'm glad you're happy. But more ask you something. You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I actually do have a boyfriend.
Alright, no bother breathing now. And make sure you have money. Now look at them with no waste, man. Alright? Look how you're pretty. You deserve the world. Such beauty. You can get any man you want to get. So don't end up with some old drunk who will hold you down. Me I tell you, more than you. Me know me I talk about.
Well, Grandma, I have to leave. I have to meet up with Sean and his daughter. But I'm glad to see you.
Don't worry about that, my pretty grandbaby. Me go buy you a heap of clothes. Make you look so nice. We go match. Cause we have a twin already. Alright, make sure you be safe on the road, And watch out for them dirty taxi boy there. Okay? I love you.
Love you to Grandma. Later.
Tensia, I want to ask you something. Will you marry me?
Oh, yeah, say. What are you tell? What? Are you time on this? Watch ya.
So that's a yes?
Oh, I'm telling that boy, of course. Yes. Boy, me finally I go Canada. Babes, love you. Watch my handsome husband.
Can't wait to call my mom and tell her the good news. She's gonna be so excited. I wanted to ask you since morning, but I figure I'd ask you now.
What do you mean you're pregnant? Oh, you're breed. Oh, I'm deal. Tensia, who the father for the baby? Tell me right now. Lie I tell. A lie I tell. Y'all, come out of my house now. Get out. You're a lying whore. Come out of my house. I don't know how you feel tell lie upon my brother. My brother would have never do nothing like that. I want them look a boy there from down the street you talk to. And you come and tell lie upon my brother about my brother breed you. You look a whore.
Me not tired deal with me, so what make a lie? He been doing it for months now.
Go and take up yourself. Go live with your father. Him have about 1,000 pitney. You and him are the same thing. The two of them just sick my stomach. Come out of my face.